In the name of God. New shoes.
Mia's shoes were old and hurt her toe when she walked. She decided to buy new ones to avoid more pain. At the store, she tried on red sneakers that felt soft on her back. The salesperson checked the fit and said, "They support your neck and feet well." Mia moved her fingers over the smooth fabric, happy with her choice. She paid for the shoes without hesitation and left the store. Her old shoes had given her a stomachache from stress, but now she felt relief. At home, Mia walked around to test the sneakers. Her brain signaled comfort, unlike before when her feet would hurt. She noticed no blood or blisters, just perfect fit. The shoes had cushioning that eased pressure on her stomach area while walking. She felt healthy and energetic, ready to run. Her old shoes used to make her sick, but these were different. She smiled, knowing she wouldn't catch a cold from wet feet anymore. Mia's mom reminded her to rest after long walks to avoid strain. She agreed, not wanting a headache or toothache from exhaustion. The next day, she wore the sneakers to the park, including a short jog. She felt no cut or soreness, just pure comfort. Her friend said, "Your shoes look like mine." Mia laughed and replied, "But mine are by a better brand." They walked till sunset, enjoying the fresh air. Suddenly, Mia tripped and fell on the pavement. She checked her leg, but there was no break, just a small scratch. Her friend helped her into a nearby bench to sit. Mia sighed, plus sighed, "My new shoes saved my feet." Her friend handed her a bandage for the scratch. Mia smiled, "At least it's minus any serious injury." She took a deep breath, grateful for her health. Back home, Mia applied medicine to the scratch to improve healing. She thought, even the best shoes can't prevent every accident. Her mom brought her tea, saying, "This will help your stomachache from nerves." Mia sipped it, feeling warmth spread through her body. She realized that good health isn't just about shoes, but also self-care. The next day, her scratch was better, and she wore her sneakers again. Life was back to normal, including her joyful walks. Mia woke up the next morning with no pain in her legs or feet. She wiggled her toes inside her cozy socks, feeling refreshed. Her mom reminded her, "Don't forget your medicine if your headache returns." Mia nodded, though she felt perfectly healthy now. She tied her sneakers tightly, making sure they wouldn't hurt her back while walking. The sun shone brightly on her face as she stepped outside. She took a deep breath, enjoying the cold morning air. Today, she planned to walk till the end of the park trail. As Mia walked, she noticed a small cut on her finger from yesterday's fall. She sighed, but didn't let it ruin her mood. Her stomach growled, reminding her she hadn't eaten breakfast yet. She reached into her bag and pulled out a banana, chewing slowly to avoid a toothache. The park was quiet, without many people around at this hour. She liked the peacefulness, it helped her brain relax. A bird chirped nearby, and she smiled, feeling the blood pump happily through her veins. She thought, this is what health feels like. Suddenly, Mia saw her friend Jake sitting on a bench, looking sick. His face was pale, and he held his neck stiffly. "Did you catch a cold?" Mia asked. Jake nodded weakly, saying, "I forgot my jacket yesterday." Mia handed him her water bottle and said, "You need rest and medicine." Jake smiled gratefully and took a sip. Mia sat with him till he felt a little better. She remembered how awful it was to be sick and was glad she was healthy now. After making sure Jake was okay, Mia continued her walk. She passed a pharmacy and decided to buy a bandage for her finger. Inside, she saw colorful boxes of medicine for headaches, stomachaches, and more. The pharmacist asked, "Do you need anything else?" Mia shook her head and paid without hesitation. She stuck the bandage on her finger, feeling instant relief. Walking out, she thought about how important small things like this were for health. She didn't want a tiny cut to turn into something worse. Mia's phone buzzed. It was her mom asking if she wanted lunch. She replied, "Yes, including some soup to stay healthy." She turned back toward home, walking at a relaxed pace. The sneakers still felt great, like they were made just for her. She passed a bakery and smelled fresh bread, making her stomach growl again. She resisted buying anything, knowing she'd eat soon. The sun warmed her neck, and she felt completely at peace. She thought, good shoes, good walk, good health, what else do I need? When Mia got home, she took off her sneakers carefully, checking her toes for any blisters. Thankfully, there were none, just happy, healthy feet. Her mom served hot soup, saying, "This will improve your energy." Mia smiled and ate slowly, enjoying every bite. She thought about Jake and hoped he'd feel better soon. After lunch, she lay down for a short rest, letting her brain relax. She closed her eyes, grateful for a day without pain or problems. Tomorrow, she'd walk again, including maybe even a jog.
Like and subscribe if you would like.